Question number 24. The diagram shows an economy's aggregate demand curve and two short-run aggregate supply curves. What would cause the change in real output from Y1 to Y2? Now, the short-run aggregate supply or the aggregate supply in general tells the total number of the volume of goods and services or the output that an economy or a country can produce in the short run, in the case of a short-run aggregate supply curve. In the diagram, we know that the supply curve, the short-run supply aggregate supply curve is actually moving towards the right, which means that there is an increase in the short-run aggregate supply curve. Now, what would bring about an increase in the short-run aggregate supply so that the real output goes from Y1 to Y2? So, Uh, this could be many factors such as changes in exchange rate or changes in the cost of imports, changes in the price of imports. But one thing that is listed in the options is a decrease in world oil prices. So when the world oil prices decrease, that means that it is now cheaper to produce more volume of goods and services, and so that would lead to a rightward shift of the short run aggregate supply curve, and that would lead to a increase in the output from real output from y1 to y2. And so the correct option for this question is option number B.